Guys, today I'm going to tell you about an easy side hustle, and that involves getting free money from banks. No, you don't have to rob a bank. This just involves, just opening a checking account. A lot of people will go online and tell you ways to, earn money and, little side hustles and gigs. Sometimes those things never pan out for whatever reason. There might be a wait list or you just don't have access to it. With this, you just anybody can open a bank account pretty much, and it's very accessible for everyone. All right, so let's start out with Chase Bank. Chase is currently offering a $300 bonus when you open a Chase Total checking account online or in person. You go to the website, put in your information, and they will email you a coupon, and then you basically bring that coupon back to the branch or use it online when you open an account, and you'll get the bonus. All right, so to qualify for this, you need to make at least $500 in direct deposits into the account within 90 days of opening the account. So that's fairly easy to get $500 in there. If you're driving for Uber or Lyft or something, Chase can be your bank account. So all right, so who can qualify for this? New checking account customers. You must not have had a Chase checking account within the past 90 days or had one closed with a negative balance within the last 3 years. So even if you've had a Chase account in the past, as long as it's not more than 90 days old, you should be able to get in on this deal. All right, next up is PNC Bank. PNC is offering a $200 bonus. Hey, not bad at all. Post in the comments, what would you do with $200? You can do a lot. Put it in a high yield savings account. I can think of a number of things to do with it. So to open a PNC, get that PNC bonus, just go online at pnc.com. I'll put a link in the comment section here below. So basically, all you have to do is open a new virtual wallet, Checking Pro with the checking account, or both checking or savings. You can do either or. And you need to put in at least $2,000 in deposits within 60 days of opening the account. So if you got $2,000 coming in, it should be very fairly easy to do. You can open this online or at a branch. PNC, they have a lot of different locations, Nationwide Bank. And then even if you don't have a PNC bank locally, you can always do your banking online. All right, next up is Wells Fargo Bank. You can score a $300 bonus from Wells Fargo. Hey, not bad at all. Wells Fargo is one of the largest banks in the United States, so you got a lot of options for your banking needs. Okay, so to get in on this $300 bonus, all you got to do is open a new Wells Fargo everyday checking account through the promotional page in the branch or with the bonus code, which is emailed to you after you put in your information on the Wells Fargo website. And there's a link below the comments for opening an account online. And to get this bonus, you need to make at least $1,000 in deposits within 90 days of opening an account. Okay, you can, like I said, you can open that online or in a branch. All right, to qualify for this offer, you must not have had a Wells Fargo checking account in the past 12 months, or if you're a Wells Fargo employee. So if you work for Wells Fargo, it's pretty obvious you can't get in on this deal. So, hey, if you want an easy way to score some cash, just try opening a checking account with some of these banks. Quick and easy, and most people are gonna open an account anyway, so why not get a bonus for doing that? Hey guys, thanks for watching.